Well, everybody, I'm going to show you how to create another account using Windows 10. To do this, you go to Start, and then you go to Settings, and then you go to Accounts, and then you look for Family and Other Users. You click that place, and then you see Add Someone Else to this PC. You click that place, and then a dialog box will be open. Now you can see in the box it is written there username. You choose a name you like. For me, I'm choosing record or recording. So you type your name there, and then you choose a password. You repeat the password again, and then you answer some few questions. I would like to use this question: what was your first pet name? I chose Popo. And then you move to the next question. What was your childhood nickname? I answered that one as Popo, the same. And then you move on to the next one. What is the first name of your oldest cousin? Okay, that one I chose Popo. That's my options. You can do yours. And then when you finish, you click next. Now you can see under it, you can see that it has been named as recording, as I wrote. So for you to see that it's working, just close the settings windows, and then you click Windows on the keyboard and the letter L on the keyboard. Now you click a little, and then you see record. So you click that place, and then the password you use, you write. Okay, well, you can see this one. It says choose private settings for your device. Okay, I just click accept, and then you can see nice desktop here. As you can see, this one is nice desktop from Microsoft. So this is how you create another user account on same machine but on Windows 10. So now you can change the windows, you can change many things here. The windows, you can put your own picture there, you can do a lot of things, but this one will be done on next video. So if you like this one, just subscribe it and then expect for the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.